We made this decision years ago, long before starting this channel, that if we ever worked with an athlete, it would be someone who understood that no matter how good you are, no matter what you've accomplished, every time you step onto the field, onto the court, onto the track, it's us against us. You don't beat the other team. You beat the version of you that was here yesterday. You improve your own time. You level up your own game. You push past the old you, because then the new you is unstoppable. Every day on this channel, our goal is to bring you one idea, one perspective shift, one way to improve so that you can beat the version of you from yesterday. Because that's what it's always been about. It's not you versus everybody else. It's you versus you. We believe in the power of focus. If you spread yourself too thin, chasing hundreds of different things, you end up mastering nothing. Real growth comes down to making small, consistent improvements every single day. And this is why we created the Level Up series. A 7-day journey to help you rebuild your mindset, to create habits that actually last, to become the version of you that you've always dreamed of being. Now here's how it works. Every day for the next week, we're going to release a new episode on YouTube. The title will be Level Up, followed by a number. You can subscribe so you don't miss any episodes, or to make sure you watch all 7. We've also made it into one playlist, which you can find in the description below. And once you've completed the full series, once you've gone through this 7-day journey, something inside of you is going to change. Now we're asking you to do 2 simple things. First, at the end of each episode, we'll give you an action step. One small step to take right now, immediately after watching, because good things never happen in comfort zones. Second, share this with somebody who needs to hear this message, who could benefit from these ideas. So grab your journal, grab your pen, get ready to take notes. This isn't just another motivation video. This is a decision. It's a challenge. It's a war against your comfort zone, against your excuses, against everything that's holding you back from becoming who you're supposed to be. Level Up is not just a series. It's a movement. It's a reminder that every single day we have the opportunity to become better than we were yesterday. All it takes is a little bit of courage, a lot of consistency, and most importantly, a clear understanding of who you're trying to become. You know the feeling. You feel stuck. You want to grow. But somehow, some way, no matter what you try, you always seem to be restarting, beginning over and over again. It's like you're trapped in a loop, destined to keep failing at the same things over and over again. Well, we're here to tell you enough is enough. It's time to break free. It's time to stop repeating the same mistakes and start creating the future that you deserve. Welcome to the first episode of Level Up. Are you tired of feeling stuck? Do you want to break free from the cycle of failure that you've been trapped in? Well, we're here to tell you that it doesn't have to be this way. You can change your life. But it starts with a decision to stop blaming everyone else, to stop making excuses, and to start taking responsibility for your actions. In this series, we're going to help you understand that the only person holding you back is yourself. And we're going to show you how to overcome that so that you can finally achieve your dreams. We want you to know that this is not going to be easy. It's going to take hard work and dedication, but trust us, the results will be worth it. So if you're ready to take control of your life, if you're ready to stop making excuses and start being awesome, then this series is for you. Over the next 7 days, we're going to help you develop a winner's mindset. We're going to teach you how to create habits that actually last. And we're going to show you how to reach your goals and crush your competition. So let's get started. The first step on your journey towards greatness is to understand that your competition is not out there. It's in the mirror. When you look in the mirror, that's who you need to be. That's who you're competing against. You see, we all have this natural tendency to compare ourselves to others. We look at what they have, what they've accomplished, and we think that we're not good enough. But here's the truth. Your life is not a competition. It's not a race. You're not competing with anyone but yourself. Think about it. You can't control how fast your friends run, how well they perform, or how much success they have. The only thing you can control is your own performance. So why waste your time and energy comparing yourself to others when you could be focusing on your own goals? Instead of looking at what others have achieved, take a moment to appreciate your own accomplishments. Think about how far you've come and all the challenges you've overcome. Remember that every success, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. By focusing on your own progress, you'll be able to stay motivated and inspired to keep moving forward. Yes, there will be times when you feel like you're falling behind. There will be moments when you doubt yourself and question whether you can really achieve your goals. But it's during these times that you need to remember that your competition is not out there. It's in the mirror. You need to beat the version of you that was here yesterday. So don't waste your time comparing yourself to others. Focus on your own goals and dreams. Be your own competition. And when you do, you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Remember, your only real competition is the version of you that existed yesterday. Ask yourself, did that you improve today? Did you learn something new? Did you make progress towards your goals? If the answer is yes, then you're on the right track. Don't get distracted by what others have or haven't done. Instead, focus on your own journey and celebrate your own successes. That's what matters most. So today, we challenge you to embrace the idea that you are your own competition. That's all we have for you today. One idea to help you level up. Remember, you are your own competition. Now, we want you to go out and put this idea into action. Take a moment to reflect on your goals and dreams. What do you want to achieve? What kind of person do you want to become? Then take action towards those goals. Make a plan, set deadlines, and hold yourself accountable. Remember, you are your own competition, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Go out there and conquer the world. Thank you for joining us for the first episode of Level Up. If you enjoyed this episode, we invite you to share your experience with us. How does the idea of UVs resonate with you? How do you plan to apply it in your own life? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on the next 6 episodes of Level Up. As always, thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.